Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to Eric Blackmon Guitar. Recently, one of my young students wanted me to show them how to play Run, Run, Rudolph by Chuck Berry on electric guitar. Now, I tried to show that student the way that I play it normally, which is like this, as far as the chords were concerned. I played a C5, F5, and a G5. That's the way I've always played it, and most YouTubers play it that way. My student simply could not reach from here to here with that little finger. Just wasn't going to happen. So we had to figure out a way for that student to play it with limited reach. So this way can work for people who have small hands, or young people, or people who just don't want to stretch as much as that. Now what we're going to do is go down to fret 5 to play our C5, which we played C5 to 6 like this. Okay, we're going to go down here to the middle strings, the D and the G string, hold down those two strings at fret 5. That's pretty easy to do, and then move in to the 7th fret on the D string with the ring finger. Then we'll move to the A string, fret 3, do the same thing, holding down the A string and the D string. That's our F5 to 6. Then back to the C5 and 6. Then to fret 5 on the A string and D string for G5 and 6. So let's play the entire thing, starting at C5. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. That's how we'll play the backup chords during the guitar solo. Now, during the verses, it'll be a little bit different. We'll start with our C5 to 6, then move down to F5 to 6, back up. Now, let's play that again, and we'll add a solo to it. Now, in order to learn that solo, use the link in this video or in the description to go to my video on how to play Chuck Berry riffs for Run, Run, Rudolph. Now, I hope you can learn how to play this and play it for Christmas. It's very easy and anybody can play it. Thanks for stopping by and have a great day. 1, 2, 3, 4.